Today, I want to discuss a process that most people take for granted: pollination. When we think of pollination, we usually picture bees buzzing around flowers. And bees are certainly important pollinators, but they're far from the only ones. Birds, bats, butterflies, beetles, and even the wind all play roles in pollination. In fact, about 75% of all flowering plants rely on animal pollinators to reproduce. Without them, many of the fruits and vegetables we eat simply wouldn't exist. Now, what makes this relationship so interesting is that it's a form of coevolution. Over millions of years, plants and their pollinators have adapted to each other. Some flowers have developed long, tube-shaped petals that only hummingbirds with equally long beaks can reach. Other plants bloom only at night to attract bats, which navigate using echolocation rather than sight. But here's the concern. Pollinator populations worldwide are declining due to habitat loss, pesticide use, and climate change. If this trend continues, it could threaten global food production on a massive scale. In our next class, I'll go into the specific research being done to address pollinator decline.